Moving on to the next question, we will be discussing this 10th and 11th question together because they are about adaptations. So the first question is about halophytes reproduce through viviparity. Viviparity helps halophytes to overcome the problem of seed germination where the seeds germinate while attached to the parent. Let's first look what is halophytes. Halophytes are nothing but salt-tolerant or salt-loving plants. They are halophytes. They can tolerate salinity. That is called halophytes. How they can tolerate salinity? They can tolerate salinity because of some features they are having. Like, say in mangroves, there are roots which are very above the soil surface and which are porous, and it is called a pneumatophores. So they can breathe properly. That is an adaptation. Adaptation is nothing but an evolutionary changes happen in an organism due to its surroundings. To cope up with the changes of the surroundings, the organism changes themselves. That is what is called adaptation. Such an adaptation in a mangrove tree is thus pneumatophores. And another one is viviparity. Viviparity is nothing but in a tree, the seed germinates from attaching to the tree itself. That is what is called viviparity. After germinating only, this seed fall to the ground because in the saline soil these seeds cannot germinate properly. To avoid that situation, these seeds get attached to the plant itself and germinate from there itself and become a plant. And after that it get detached from the parent plant and go to the soil and become another plant. That is what is called viviparity. That is an adaptation of these halophytes. So, first statement is correct. Halophytes reproduce through viviparity. And second statement is because of the difficulties of seed germination in this saline soil, right? So, both the statements are correct and second explains first. So, the answer is A.